The New American Tax Game: How the 2026 tax changes could cost you thousands. Taxes. They fund the government, fix our roads, and pay for Social Security. But every few years, the rules change. And in 2026, those rules are about to flip the table on millions of Americans. Today, we're breaking down the new American tax game: what's changing, who wins, who loses, and how you can stay one step ahead before it's too late. Let's jump right in. Section 1: What's actually happening in 2026? Narrator: In 2026, the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act of 2017, the one signed under President Trump, expires. That means a bunch of temporary tax cuts for individuals and small businesses will end. Unless Congress acts, we're going back to the pre-2017 tax brackets, and that means higher taxes for most Americans. According to the Tax Foundation, about 60% of U.S. households will pay more in taxes starting January 1st, 2026. Section 2. Here's how your tax bracket. Let's take a look at the brackets. The 12% bracket goes back up to 15%. The 22% bracket returns to 25%. And the 24% bracket rises to 28%. So, if you're making around $60,000 a year as a single filer, that means hundreds, maybe even thousands more per year in taxes. Basically, your paycheck just got smaller without you even realizing it. Section 3. Standard deduct shrinks. Right now, in 2025, a married couple filing jointly can take a $27,700 standard deduction. But once 2026 hits, that drops almost in half, back to roughly $15,000. That means more people will have to itemize again, track mortgage interest, medical expenses, and charitable donations, just to reduce taxable income. Section 4. Child tax credit shrinks too. Parents, you'll feel this one too. The child tax credit falls from $2,000 per child back to $1,000, and fewer families will qualify. So that refund check you look forward to every spring? Yeah, it's about to get smaller. Section 5. Small businesses and self-employed. If you own a business or work for yourself, you've probably benefited from the percent pass-through deduction for LLCs, S-corps, and sole proprietorships. That deduction, part of the 2017 law, is also expiring in 2026. For freelancers, consultants, and small businesses, that could mean a 20% tax increase overnight. So yeah, 2026 isn't just a policy change, it's a profit change. Section 6. Estate and wealth taxes. Old mansion, dollar signs, inheritance documents. Narrator: And here's one for the wealthy crowd. The estate tax exemption is being cut roughly in half. Right now, estates under $13.6 million are exempt. After 2026, that drops to about $6 to $7 million. That means more family wealth, farms, and small business assets could face estate taxes for the first time in years. Enough doom and gloom. What can you actually do before 2026 hits? 1. Max out retirement contributions in 2025. Take advantage of today's lower rates. 2. Consider Roth conversions while taxes are low. You'll thank yourself later. 3. Gift money strategically if you're worried about the estate tax changes. 4. Talk to a CPA or financial planner. Seriously, not your uncle who files on TurboTax once a year. 5. Plan major sales or income events, like stock cash-outs or business sales, before 2026, if possible. Section 8. Politics will decide your paycheck. Split screen. Congress, election signs, taxpayers looking worried. Narrator: Now, here's the twist. Everything could change again depending on who wins in November 2026. If the next Congress renews some of these tax cuts, your wallet might catch a break. If not, the old tax code is back, and Washington gets a bigger slice of your pie. This is why financial experts are calling it the new American tax game. The rules keep changing, and the only way to win is to stay informed. Section 9. The takeaway. Visuals. Dollar bills floating into an IRS envelope, people scrolling through tax apps, Plan Smart graphic. Narrator: So here's your quick summary. Tax rates go up in 2026. Deductions and credits go down. The IRS will collect more, and you'll keep less, unless you plan smart now. Taxes are never fun, but smart Americans treat them like a game. You learn the rules, you play strategically, and you win your money back. If this helped you understand what's coming in 2026, hit that like button. share it with a friend who complains about taxes, and subscribe for more Straight Talk finance videos. Because when the rules change, your money should still work for you.